Rec-
What's good, gang? So here I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm just going to be giving you an update of my forex fan account, how it went, and what sort of things I did to do the certain things. Of course I passed the verification, that's why I'm recording the video. All right, even if I failed it, I would have posted it. Anyways, I passed it. I'm gonna be showing you everything, how I did it, what sort of method I follow, and yeah, so let's get started. So first we will be going to the account analyzer to just see we maintained the 100% win rate. If I go to, I'm sorry man, if I go to the daily, you can see it. And if I go to the trading history, man, one thing I want to show you, and I want to tell you, one trade a day, keep it secret, or okay, that's how you will be successful. Yeah, so that's being said, bro, if you see here 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 was weekend, and 21, what can you see here? One trade a day, win or loss, we will take one trade a day. Why? Because our human mind is not capable of taking a lot of decisions, emotional decisions. I would say emotional decisions rapidly or fast. Okay, so that's why we only need to take one or two emotional decisions in a day, so that our whole day can be productive or good, healthy. If you want to make your day miserable, try to take 5 trades. Okay, if you lost those 3 trades, suppose you won that 2 trades in the first, and you took that three trades, you lost that 3. No matter, even if you have 0.5% in profit, still your emotional stage wouldn't be that good. All right, like when you had 2 winners. Okay, so that being said, you really have to protect your emotional thing, your mindset, everything. And how you can protect that is by taking minimal trades. Okay, yeah, so as you can see, I was taking only one trade a day, and yeah, pretty much got it. And I'll be explaining to you the trading system that I was following. Of course, if I explain you everything that in what I was following in the trading system, um, that will take a lot of time, so I'm not gonna be going deep into it. But yeah, if you want to learn how I trade, okay, then definitely you can approach me on the Instagram. I do have upcoming masterclass in March, so if you want to join that, definitely you can join that, and I'll be explaining to you how you can use institutional method, combine it with retail method, and you can get like amazing results, man. Here you can see the account balance. Today I passed that 21,000. I mean, it was 5% target. So yeah, so notification, I don't know what it is. Yeah, upgraded. Now I have the live account. I just have to send the documents and just have to sign the contract with them. And IP address, I'm not gonna be like sharing that. So yeah, here you can see the trades, and yeah, was trading only GJ. One was GBP USD. Okay, so now let's just move to the charts. What I was following, I was in this GJ buys from here to here. I'll be explaining to you, no problem. So keep it like this. So let's just go what I was doing. Okay, so yeah, what I was simply doing is identifying the institutional auto block supply demand areas. For example, this is the supply area. Okay, so I'm just gonna be drawing like that. So if price is giving me decent price action, okay, then I'll be taking just longs right here. I will not target the high. It's the potential area from where the price can reject. I won't target this. I simply will take a trade with simple retail concepts. It can be break and retest, it can be level trading. Of course, I do have secret method that I can share it on YouTube. I really have spent a lot of time to develop this scalping method. So what I will be doing, I will be just simply placing the stop something like this. I'll target 1 to 1.5 minimum. I mean, not minimum, I always keep it 1 to 1.5, bro. I won't say I target 1 to 2, because I don't even do that. I always keep it 1 to 1.5. Okay, this was of course it was break and retest type of situation. Of course the trend has to be in your favor. Okay, it has to be in your favor. We can't take the counter 10 trades with that. Okay, now how I can manage the risk? Suppose if price gave a closing below this, I simply will cut off 50% or maybe more, maybe 70%. Okay, yeah. So if price started to, suppose this is my 1-to-1 mark, let's just keep it 1-to-1. Yeah, so this is my 1-to-1 mark. If price started to reject right from here, then I might can close the trade. Why? Because our main goal is to just make that day profitable, because we are taking one trade a day. If you combine that thing, then that result will become huge, bro. You can really see it here. You can see 179. No, not here. Here it was 1-to-1. Here it was below 1-to-1. Why? Because I simply did this method, because it was facing it was not getting to 1-to-1. It was just facing a lot of rejections from there, so I closed the trade. Why would I hold it if it is struggling? We want that impulse reaction. Okay, so that's why I closed this trade, which was, yeah, it was trailing stop loss which got hit. This trade was huge because it really, I don't know, like Russian share was going on and price just spiked up 30 pips, and just 1 to 1.5 was hit in a matter of 1 minute. Today also, today I kept 1-to-1. I'll be explaining to you why I did that. Let's just dive into this. So now, if we see we have supply right from here, okay, you agree with me? Yeah, I hope you can even mark it like this candle. Okay, you have supply here. Okay, and this was the level from where price broke out of this level and was struggling here. I simply placed my, of course I added another confluences also that I'll be sharing in masterclass. I can't share it right here because I want to keep something like for the premium members and things like that. So I entered somewhere around here, stop was here, and target was 1-to-1 like this. Now my risk management was, if price broke this low, I'll be closing I think my entry was something like this. Yeah, I'll be closing majority of the position, so that way even you are risking 1.5% or maybe 2% or maybe 1%, you will lose little less. I know some people will say, oh man, I can't do this way. Yes, maybe this thing will not work for you, but it is working for me. Because I'm just combining two aspects. Why I do that? Suppose a lot of people try to catch the breakout like this, okay, but they don't know that there is supply because they are unaware about these concepts. I have spent a lot of time. I've switched a lot of strategies. I mean, I've traded everything. Okay, now the thing I have developed is simple, bro. It's very now I will show you how I caught that long also. Here there was my long. Here, let's go to the 5 minutes. So as you can see, this is a level. All right, price broke above this and started to retest this. I simply enter here. Stop was here and target was 1-to-1.5, which gave me a little bit more, but that's fine. Now why I took this trade, let's go to the 1 hour for that. If you see the 1 hour, then simply what you can see here is a supply. All right, of course I'm not targeting the extreme of the supply, because sometimes price will just reverse from even before hitting the supply. But in this case it did trigger the supply, so that's why we don't need to target that. We just need to target small target areas. Then yeah, we are good. I took sales right here. It was on the evaluation. Look how price spiked up. Why? Because it was facing a lot of rejections. Let me go to the 5 minute to show you how I managed this trade. I think I still cashed 1-to-1 in this. I think I shorted it somewhere around here. My stop was like this. My TP was it is showing me, I think my stop was a little bigger, because let's say like this. Yeah, it was like this. So once price got here, look how it was doing. I simply close the trade because I want my target to hit instantly. Okay, even if that was a stop, I would have managed it above maybe this area right here, this area. Okay, so yeah, that's all guys. I just passed the verification. As you can see, I can refresh it for you. It is real. Even if you want to see the terminal, like, I really can show it to you because it is passed and I don't need anything to hide. You can see here the terminal also. Okay, yeah, it is passed, so I mean nobody can do shit to me if even if they hacked it. So anyways, so that's why. Yeah, passed it in what, in maybe 6 days. Amazing, man. I'm gonna end this video right here. Yeah, if you want to check the masterclass, definitely, man, it can help you. And one thing more I really want to explain to you guys. Suppose you took a lot of courses, okay? Don't consider it a waste. I did it myself. I'm just giving you my story. Maybe maybe you will agree, maybe you will not. Okay, I did Falcon style, I did Wigstone lifestyle. I mean, not like trading, I learned it. Okay, I did SMC style, and what else? I did Rocks FX style. What did I do else? Yeah, pretty much this, man. Pretty much these things. I pretty much have followed everything. Now what these courses gave me, these courses gave me better understanding of the market, how candles move, how behavior. Rocks FX, of course, talk about the behavior. Falcon FX talk about the patterns, and SMC talk about the liquidity. Don't consider, if you learn, like suppose you are trading SMC, supply demand, and you are not getting consistent there, try to take education from someone else. Maybe you can just grab 50% or maybe 10% of that thing, and you can apply it in the thing that you are already doing. Okay, it takes time. I'm just sharing you my experience. I did get education from a lot of people, and at the end, now I'm combining with everything. Now if you see here, there was pattern, right? Falcon used to trade this thing, but with the SMC, I know this was the area. I mean, this was the manipulation, and this was the area. And with the Wigstone lie, I mean, of course, I'll be telling you everything in the masterclass that I learned. With the Wigstone lifestyle, look how it closed above with huge momentum. Now what I can expect, price will at least tap this level. Okay, so I place the buy expecting. So I mean, nothing is waste, man. If you're considering, man, about this course, it was trash, nothing is waste. Maybe you learn 10% from it, okay? Maybe you learn 5% from that whole curriculum, but still it is benefiting you. But don't pay to the people who are just overcharging for the things like $2,000, $1,000. I mean, I don't. You're wise enough, man. I'm leaving this up to you. So yeah, did a great job with this, and I'm gonna end this right here, guys. So be wise. You should know how to differentiate what is good, what is wrong. Maybe with the experience you will get the things. And yeah, you also can do it, guys. Just one trade a day. You just need to be having proven system, confidence in yourself. Even I have faced losing streak in my previous challenge. So yeah, still I made it, bro. You also can make it, but just be confident. That's all, man. I'm just gonna stop it right here. Good for you guys, and thanks for sticking it till the long. And don't forget to check out the masterclass. It's very cheap. It's $50. Maybe can increase the price in future. I don't know. Yeah. So good for now, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.